Vanakkam. In today's video, we are going to see the answer for the question whether we can use dual SIM in iPhone. So today, if you see in most of the Android mobiles, there are dual SIM facility where we can use two SIMs in the same Android mobile, and 99% of the Android mobile have this facility. But the iPhone is special. In this case, they are outstanding in that SIM slots. That is, they have only one single SIM slot till now, whatever models they have launched, and we are not sure about the future models also whether they will have a dual SIM slot or not. So at present we have only one single SIM slot. So using this single SIM slot, whether we can able to use dual SIM or not, the answer is yes. So I have an iPhone and I'm using dual SIM in the same iPhone. So I'm going to share my experience how to use dual SIM in iPhone. So please don't skip the video, watch till the end to know how to use dual SIM in iPhones. Welcome to a4e channel. My name is Ashok Raj. If you are visiting our channel for the first time, please do subscribe our channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. As we all know that iPhone has only one SIM slot, so we are not going to change the SIM slot. That is, we are not going to add a physical additional SIM slot to use the second SIM. But nowadays, that is in this modern world, in the modern technology, using the latest technology, we are going to use the second SIM. That is, if you see the history of the SIM cards, that is usually when the mobile has been launched before 20 years, we were able to see the SIM with a bigger size. Then the micro SIM came into picture, then the nano SIM. So the SIM card sizes has been reduced pretty much in the modern history in the past 20 years. The same way, in the SIM card, there is a new technology, new modern technology, which is called as eSIM, that is embedded SIM. It is known as a virtual SIM or a digital SIM, wherein there will not be any physical SIM as we use normally. Only it is a virtual SIM, that is it's a digital SIM. So it is not being activated in all the network providers. If you use a network provider like Airtel or Vodafone, I think in Airtel it is eSIM is available, and you can convert your physical SIM into eSIM. I'm not pretty much sure about the other network providers. So if you're using a different network provider like Jio, BSNL or any other providers, please do check with them for activating the eSIM. So first of all, we need to activate the eSIM. We need to contact the service provider and we need to convert our physical SIM to eSIM. So for that, the main prerequisite, that is the main thing is requirement is your mobile set should support eSIM. So in this today's technology with the eSIM, I think iPhone, Google Pixel and few other latest mobile models will support the eSIM technology, that is the embedded SIM or the virtual SIM. The first requirement is we need to check our mobile model whether it supports eSIM or not, and the second thing is we need to check with our service provider whether they have the facility to enable the eSIM or not. So the difference between the physical SIM and eSIM is only one difference, that is physical SIM, it is a physical thing which we need to insert in the mobile, and eSIM, it is a virtual SIM which we can't see it, but it will be enabled. So all other features, like all other whatever plans you have or whatever you have activated previously, either an international roaming or a roaming pack, everything will be the same, and the usage, either calls or SMS or internet, everything will remain same. There is no difference in the performance or the usage. And the added advantage in eSIM is, that is if you use a physical SIM for more than a couple of years or 3 to 4 years, if you try to change the SIM in multiple headsets, or even if you're using in the same headset, there is a chance of SIM damage in the coming years, that is after 3 to 4 years. So if the SIM is getting damaged, then we need to get the SIM swap, that is we need to replace the existing same number with the new SIM card. But if you're using eSIM, that is not the case. That is the added advantage when you use the eSIM. I thought of sharing my experience how I enabled the eSIM. So I'm in UK and I'm using an iPhone 11 model, wherein an iPhone from the models X, XS, starting from that model till the latest model like 12 Pro. All the models of iPhone will support the eSIM technology. So I came to know that iPhone 11 will support the eSIM technology, and I'm using a network provider, the primary number in UK, which is UK number, and I using the secondary number as an India number. That is India. I have the service provider Airtel, and I came to know that Airtel has enabled the eSIM technology. So first of all, I gave the request to the Airtel service provider to convert my physical SIM to the eSIM. So that process has been completed, and they have given the steps how to activate the eSIM in the mobile. So we need to give the mobile model also, what we are going to use, in which mobile phone we are going to use that eSIM, so that they will enable it accordingly in the back end. So they enabled it and confirm you over the mail, and they have sent the steps how to enable the eSIM. So I'm going to share the screenshot of where you can see my iPhone, where it shows the first SIM with the first SIM card with SIM 1 with the tower, which is a UK number, and SIM 2 tower also you can see. So it is known as primary and secondary. The usage of this dual SIM in iPhone is similar to using a dual SIM in Android. That is, you can enable the primary number as a default number for calling, SMS or internet, or also you can enable the secondary number for default number to call, SMS or internet. So the usage will be pretty much similar to the Android dual SIM. So only thing is difference is there is no second SIM slot in iPhone, and there is no physical SIM for the second SIM. It is only the embedded SIM, that is a virtual SIM, which you are going to activate it, and directly you can use it in iPhone. How to enable eSIM in Airtel service provider, I can explain step by step in the upcoming videos, and you can wait and watch for activating the eSIM in Airtel service provider. But how to activate eSIM in Airtel service provider, and also the same video how to use dual SIM in iPhone in Tamil version has already been published in our channel. I am going to share the link of those videos in the description, and also in the video card. Please do watch if you need to check it out in the Tamil version of the video. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. If you feel like this video is useful, please do share this video to your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe our channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Vanakkam.